Good day, Mr. Hermes. I am Caroline Tejada. I am 44 years old. I am married with 2 kids. I am a caregiving student from Acte, Caloocan. I completed my secondary education from St. Paul College of Bocaue, Bulacan last 1997 and graduated a BS in Architecture from the University of Santo Tomas, Manila last 2003. After college graduation, I worked as a CAD draftsman in various architectural and engineering companies locally and abroad. I took up the board exam for architecture last 2013 and passed it. Since then, I have been working as a freelance architect up to present, engaged in various residential and commercial projects. Last 2017, I took up short courses for semi-permanent makeup like microblading, scalp pigmentation, and microneedling. I opened up a brow tattoo clinic in our place and have been working there as a semi-permanent makeup artist up to present. I also co-manage a trucking business with my husband while looking after our kids. The reason why I study caregiving is it is a rewarding and necessary job and still remains to be in demand locally and abroad. My eldest son dreams of studying and working overseas, and my youngest son is in the autism spectrum disorder who undergoes daily therapies, which is very costly here in the Philippines. Due to this, I came up with the dream of migrating to a country where they can experience the quality of life, safety, free education and healthcare benefits, lots of job opportunities, and cultural diversity. With Canada providing an equal treatment for each individual, particularly to persons with disabilities, I would love to bring my family there and work there as a caregiver. As a caregiver, there is no particular age that I want to take care of. During the past, I have experienced taking care of my nieces and nephews in their younger years and my aged parents in their remaining years. So I think that would not be a problem for me. Elderly kids and even kids with disabilities are very close to my heart. With the different experience I had in the past, I believe I have developed the patience, compassion, empathy, and detail-orientedness that a caregiver should have. That would be all, and thank you.